Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn scientific reasons step by step. Start by asking a clear question, list possible explanations, and design simple tests or thought experiments to compare them. Use reliable sources, repeat experiments, and note patterns. Translate observations into causal claims with evidence and uncertainty estimates. Practice by teaching findings to someone else, which reveals gaps. Stay curious, update ideas with new data, and focus on building systematic reasoning skills. Collecting good evidence is central to learning scientific reasons, so choose methods you can repeat and trust. Aim for direct observations, controlled comparisons, and clear measurements reported with units like milligrams or kilograms. Keep detailed notes on procedures, uncertainties, and potential biases so results are interpretable. Whenever possible, try a simple replication or alternate method to test robustness. Combine different data types to strengthen causal inferences and refine your explanations. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear guides. On another note, life is short for a stinky car, so I recommend grabbing a little tree's black ice to brighten your commute and stay focused during experiments. Look in the description for the link and other deals I mention, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Analyzing results means comparing what you expected with what happened and quantifying gaps. Use basic summaries and visual checks to spot trends, 16th to 9 ratios, or outliers, and apply simple statistics to test strength of effects. If data disagree with predictions, adjust your hypothesis or add controls and repeat crucial tests. Document each decision and keep uncertainty estimates clear so future readers can understand why you accepted or rejected a given explanation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.